Imagine walking into a gym for the first time. You're greeted by a sea of machines, each looking more complicated than the last, dumbbells of weights you can't get lift, and a crowd of people who seem to have it all figured out. It's easy to feel lost, unsure of where to start, and overwhelmed by the choices and the pressure to perform. But guess what? You're not alone in this feeling, and today, that changes. This video is your beginner-friendly companion through the world of gym workouts. We'll simplify the process with clear, easy-to-follow steps, making sure that you walk into the gym next time feeling confident and prepared. No more guesswork, just progress. Stay tuned as we dive into essential exercise routines designed specifically for someone just starting out, nutritional advice to fuel your workouts, and motivational strategies to keep you committed. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just enhance your overall fitness, this guide has got you covered. Let's start this journey together, one step at a time. Body types. Every body is unique, and understanding your body type can significantly influence your fitness results. There are three primary body types. Ectomorph, naturally lean and slim. Ectomorphs often find it challenging to gain muscle or fat. If you're an ectomorph, you'll likely benefit from increased calorie intake and strength training. Mesomorph, characterized by a muscular build and efficient metabolism. Mesomorphs can relatively easily gain muscle and maintain low body fat. Balanced workouts combining strength and cardio will enhance a mesomorph's natural athleticism. Endomorph, typically broader and more solid. Endomorphs gain muscle and fat easily, but may struggle more with fat loss. A focus on cardio, along with strength training, can help manage body fat and enhance muscle definition. Understanding your body type will help tailor your workout and diet plans to better suit your natural predisposition, aiding in muscle gain and fat loss. Setting realistic goals. Setting goals is crucial, but they need to be realistic to keep you motivated. Assess your lifestyle. Consider how many days and hours you can dedicate to the gym given your work, family, and social commitments. Define clear objectives. Whether it's gaining strength, losing weight, or improving endurance, know what you want to achieve. Set achievable targets. Break your main goal into smaller, manageable milestones. For example, aim to increase your bench press weight by 5% each month or lose 1 pound per week. Having clear, realistic goals based on your body type and personal circumstances will keep you focused and less likely to get discouraged. Importance of consistency. Consistency is the key to seeing results in any fitness program. It's not about perfection, it's about effort. Here's why consistency matters. Building habits. The more consistently you train and eat right, the more these actions become habits. This makes it easier to stick with your program long-term. Progressive overload. Regular workouts allow you to gradually increase the intensity of your exercises, which is crucial for building strength and muscle. Measurable outcomes. Being consistent with your workouts and diet makes it easier to track your progress and adjust as needed. Remember, consistent actions over time, not sporadic bouts of perfection, lead to sustainable results. Set yourself up for success by committing to a consistent, realistic workout schedule and diet plan tailored to your body type and goals. Step 2. The gym routine. Workout A. Upper body focus. Exercises. For beginners aiming to build a strong, aesthetic upper body, focusing on compound movements is highly effective. These exercises work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, offering a comprehensive strength-building session. Here are 3 foundational exercises to include in your workout A. Bench press. A staple in upper body training, the bench press targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. It's ideal for building overall upper body strength. Start with a light weight to master the form and gradually increase as you become more comfortable. Shoulder press. This exercise is excellent for building shoulder muscles and supporting upper body strength. It primarily works the deltoids and can also engage your triceps and upper back. Both barbell and dumbbell variations are effective, so choose according to your comfort and availability of equipment. Lat pull-downs. Essential for developing back strength and width. Lat pull-downs focus on the latissimus dorsi muscles of the back. This exercise also helps improve posture and supports the health of your spine. Routine schedule. Incorporating these exercises into a weekly routine will help you progressively build strength and familiarity with gym equipment. Here's a suggested weekly schedule for Workout A. Day 1. Bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Shoulder press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Lat pull-downs, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Day 3. Bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Slightly increase the weight if the previous session was manageable. Shoulder press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Focus on form and try different equipment, barbell or dumbbells. Lat pull-downs, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Adjust grip width to target different aspects of the back. Day 5. Bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Attempt to add incremental weight. Shoulder press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Maintain strict form. Lat pull-downs, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Explore variations like reverse grip to engage different muscles. This routine allows for adequate rest between sessions, ensuring muscle recovery and growth. Beginners should focus on mastering the form before adding significant weight to avoid injuries. Over time, as your strength and confidence increase, you can add more sets or reps, or even introduce new exercises to further challenge your muscles. Protein intake. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, making it a key nutrient for anyone engaged in a regular fitness regimen. Here's how to manage your protein intake. Daily requirements. As a general guideline, aim to consume about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight each day if you're actively working out. For a 150-pound person, this means aiming for 120 to 150 grams of protein daily. Sources of protein. Include a variety of protein sources to cover your amino acid profile. Good sources include lean meats, chicken, turkey, lean beef, dairy products, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and plant-based options like beans, lentils, and tofu. Carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates and fats also play vital roles in a balanced diet. Carbohydrates. They are your body's main source of energy, especially important for fueling and recovering from workouts. Focus on complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, oats, vegetables, and fruits, which provide sustained energy. Fats. Essential for hormonal function, including hormones that help with muscle growth, like testosterone. Include healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet. Sample meal plan. Here's a simple, effective meal plan template designed for muscle gain or fat loss. Adjust portion sizes and snacks depending on your specific calorie needs. Breakfast. Oatmeal with a scoop of protein powder, topped with a handful of berries and a spoonful of almond butter. Mid-morning snack. Greek yogurt with sliced almonds and honey. Lunch. Grilled chicken breast, quinoa, and a salad dressed with olive oil and lemon juice. Afternoon snack. Apple with a handful of walnuts. Dinner. Baked salmon with sweet potato and steamed broccoli. Evening snack, optional, cottage cheese with sliced pineapple. This meal plan is rich in protein, balanced with healthy carbohydrates and fats, and includes a variety of foods to ensure you get a wide range of nutrients. Adjust the plan based on whether you're looking to gain muscle or lose fat. For muscle gain, ensure you're in a caloric surplus, eating more calories than you burn. For fat loss, aim for a caloric deficit, eating fewer calories than you burn. Step 4. Tracking progress. Fitness apps and journals. Keeping a detailed log of your workouts and dietary intake is crucial for measuring progress and making informed adjustments. Here are 2 effective methods. Fitness apps. Apps like MyFitnessPal, Fitbit can track both your dietary intake and your workouts. They provide analytics that can help you understand trends in your fitness journey, such as changes in weight, strength levels, and calorie consumption. Training journals. For those who prefer a less digital approach, keeping a physical training journal is also effective. Document each workout, noting the exercises, weights, sets, and reps. Also, keep track of what you eat daily to understand the relationship between your diet and fitness outcomes. Photographic evidence. Visual documentation is a powerful tool to observe changes that numbers on a scale or in a journal might not show. Regular progress photos. Take consistent progress photos in the same lighting and from multiple angles. Monthly photos are typically frequent enough to see changes without feeling like there's no progress day to day. Benefits. Photos can be incredibly motivating and provide a more comprehensive view of how your body is changing, sometimes revealing improvements that aren't yet evident on the scale or in body measurements. Adjustments. Knowing when and how to adjust your fitness routine or diet is key to continuous improvement. Plateaus. If you notice a plateau in strength gains, weight changes, or overall fitness, it might be time to adjust. This could mean increasing the intensity of your workouts, altering your caloric intake, or changing your macro balance. Feedback from your body. Listen to your body for cues. Signs like prolonged fatigue, lack of progress, or decreased motivation can indicate the need for a change in your regimen. Consult with professionals. If you're unsure about the adjustments needed, consulting with a fitness coach or a dietitian can provide professional insights tailored to your specific needs. Tracking progress in these ways ensures that you can celebrate successes, understand challenges, and make educated decisions about how to tweak your workouts and diet for optimal results. This systematic monitoring also helps maintain motivation over the long term as you see real evidence of your achievements. Step 5. Staying motivated. Finding a workout buddy. A workout partner can significantly enhance your fitness journey by adding a layer of accountability and social enjoyment to your routines. Accountability. Having someone to meet you at the gym can drastically reduce the chances of skipping a workout. On days when motivation is low, knowing someone is waiting can push you to show up. Shared goals. A workout buddy ideally has similar fitness goals. This shared journey can lead to developing a supportive relationship where both of you encourage and push each other to reach your respective targets. Safety. With a partner, you can perform exercises like bench presses or heavy squats more safely through mutual spotting, reducing the risk of injury. Joining classes. Group fitness classes offer structured workouts without the need to plan your own routine and provide an energetic environment that can enhance motivation. Variety. Most gyms offer a range of classes, from yoga and Pilates to high-intensity interval training and spinning. This variety can keep your workout regimen from feeling stale and can introduce you to new workout styles. Community. Classes build a sense of community, making the gym feel like a social gathering. Connecting with others who are health-focused can reinforce your commitment to your fitness goals. Professional guidance. Instructors provide expertise in real time, correcting your form and pushing your limits, which can be more motivating than working out alone. Setting small milestones. The journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Setting and celebrating small milestones can keep motivation high. Achievable targets. Break your main goals into smaller, achievable targets. For example, if your goal is to lose 20 pounds, you might celebrate every 5 pounds lost. Rewards. Establish rewards for reaching these milestones. This could be anything from a new pair of workout shoes to a relaxing massage. Choose rewards that do not counteract your fitness goals but enhance your journey. Reflection. Regularly reflect on the progress you've made. Recognizing improvements in your strength, endurance, or physical appearance can provide a motivational boost. Staying motivated requires regularly reminding yourself of why you started and celebrating the small victories along the way. Whether through companionship, structured classes, or personal rewards for reaching milestones, maintaining motivation is crucial for long-term success in any fitness endeavor. Step 6. Supplemental help. When to consider supplements. Supplements can play a beneficial role in your fitness routine, especially when dietary intake alone does not meet your nutritional needs. Here's a guide on the most common supplements and when to consider incorporating them. Protein powders. If you struggle to meet your protein requirements through food alone due to lifestyle constraints or high protein needs, protein powders can be a convenient solution. They are particularly useful post-workout to aid in muscle recovery and growth. Creatine. Known for its benefits in increasing strength and power output during high-intensity training, creatine is one of the most well-researched supplements in sports nutrition. It's beneficial if you're engaging in heavy lifting or explosive sports. Creatine can help improve performance and accelerate muscle growth. When to supplement. Consider supplements if you're consistently unable to consume enough protein, vitamins, or minerals from your diet alone. You're aiming to achieve specific performance goals that may be supported by supplementation, such as increased endurance, strength, or muscle mass. Natural alternatives. While supplements can be helpful, natural foods are generally preferable due to their additional nutritional benefits, including vitamins, minerals, and other health-promoting compounds. Protein-rich foods. Instead of relying solely on protein powders, include a variety of protein-rich foods in your diet. Foods like chicken, fish, dairy, legumes, nuts, and seeds not only provide protein, but also offer a range of other nutrients essential for overall health. Creatine sources. Red meat and fish are natural sources of creatine, though in smaller amounts compared to supplements. Incorporating these into your diet can provide some creatine naturally, along with other important nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and B vitamins. Benefits over supplements. Whole foods provide a broader spectrum of nutrients that work synergistically to promote health. They also include dietary fiber and other bioactive compounds that supplements lack. Furthermore, whole foods are less likely to cause nutrient imbalances because they contain nutrients in proportions that are naturally occurring. Supplements can be a useful tool for those with specific dietary deficiencies or performance goals, but they should not replace a balanced and varied diet. Prioritize getting your nutrients from natural food sources as much as possible, and consider supplements as an adjunct to, not a replacement for, nutritious eating. If you choose to use supplements, consult with a healthcare provider or a nutritionist to ensure they're appropriate for your health needs and fitness goals. In this video, we've covered a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help beginners navigate their journey to achieving an aesthetic body through gym workouts. We started by understanding different body types and setting realistic goals tailored to your unique physique and lifestyle needs. We then explored essential workouts split into two routines, Workout A for upper body and Workout B for lower body and core, to ensure a balanced approach to muscle building. Nutrition came next, with an emphasis on the importance of protein, carbohydrates, and fats, alongside a sample meal plan to support your fitness goals. Tracking progress through apps, journals, and progress photos ensures you stay on course and adjust as needed, while finding motivation through workout buddies, classes, and setting small milestones keeps the journey enjoyable and sustainable. Lastly, we discussed when and how to use supplements effectively and when it's better to rely on natural food sources. Embarking on this fitness journey may seem daunting at first, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key to success is persistence and patience. Fitness is not about being better than someone else. It's about being better than you used to be. You have the power to transform your life one workout at a time. So take it one day at a time, stay committed, and don't lose sight of why you started. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to stay updated with more fitness tips and strategies to keep you moving forward. Don't forget to follow the workout plans and try integrating the nutrition tips we discussed. For additional resources, support, and to connect with a community of like-minded individuals, check out the links in the description below. Also, if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop a comment. We're here to help you on your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Let's get fit, stay healthy, and achieve those goals together.